Hey, I'm James with PNW Outdoor Reviews, a channel for honest and simple reviews. Today I wanted to show you guys the 10 Essentials kit from MyMedic. So a few things that kind of caught my eye, besides all the advertisements on Instagram, was the fact that in the description for any of their med bags, it states they're FSA, HSA approved. So if you have a health savings account, like a VEBA card or whatever you got, you can use that money to buy their kits, and they have a lot of different med kits, survival kits as you may put it. There's a lot of options for all different types of scenarios. I started with this kit because it has a lot of gear, and I can tell you right now, I am very impressed with the quality of gear they use and just overall how well it's put together. So I want to go through this bag with you guys. Warning, this is going to be a longer video because there's a lot of gear to get through. So please stick through it if you want to see what's all included. I'll try to make it quick. All right, so the backpack itself, it is waterproof. And not only is it just waterproof, it actually serves as a flotation device. It is a roll top style bag. You close the little air vent down here, and it's a flotation device. It's airtight. So everything that you keep inside your bag is going to stay dry, but if you need to cross a river or something like that, you can safely do it, other than just trying to rely on swimming, in which, if it's cold water, can be dangerous. So that's right away. Great feature. Right on the front, you have this little, waterproof pocket as well. So it'd be good for like a cell phone or, something small, but that is watertight. You got two little elastic pouches here on the side for water bottles or something. Like I said, you carry it like a backpack. So you got good straps that are adjustable. It's got a sternum strap. It's got some padding on the back as well. You got a nice sturdy grab handle up top. So again, this is well built, something that you can rely on. And the overall weight with every piece of gear included is just around maybe just over 8 pounds, I believe it is. It's not very heavy. I mean, a small child could carry this with you. So not much weight. All right, so they break all the gear down into 10 different categories. So first aid, water, fire, navigation, shelter, multi-tool, food, light source, sun protection, and clothes. Yes, clothes. So I'll show you what I mean here. Start with one item. And they put the items and group them together in these little, plastic bags. So you can find your gear a lot easier, other than this just all being dumped loose, which, let's face it, that's a horrible method. It's going to take you forever to find something, especially in an emergency situation. So they break it down a lot easier anyhow. So this bag contains the sun protection, shelter, and clothes. So first off, you get a really nice beanie. So cold weather situation, you got a good fleece lined beanie, which I will state it's a little tight on my noggin, but especially in a windstorm, I don't got to worry about it flying off. So that's a plus. Polarized sunglasses, which, not bad. I'd sport them. So that's included. These I really liked. So these are waterproof, fleece-lined gloves. So great in, a wet situation, cold situation, whatever it may be. These will save your fingers. You have an emergency poncho. Great to have, especially, rainstorm, unexpected rainstorm. This is nice, the Super Bivy. So if you're staying out overnight, if you're stranded, make yourself your shelter, crawl into your bivy, and this will help retain the heat, your natural body heat. So again, this is just a great addition in a worst case situation. And you have some hand warmers. Always nice to have. Okay, these are my favorite for a reason here. Socks, which, let's face it, having a pair of backup socks is a must for anybody's gear, because wet feet are just uncomfortable, and if you're out there for days, that, you know, you can lead to more serious complications. But this is what's funny. So there's some writing on the socks, and I'll read those to you real quick. So you can use these as a pressure bandage, a low-grade water filter, true, backup gloves, and reusable toilet paper. Yes, it legitimately says reusable toilet paper. So there is some comedic factors written on their gear. They're being serious, but also at the same time, you know, adding some humor to it. So there's a lot of the gear in here has some funny stuff written on it, but I think they're trying to be serious at the same time. All right, so that concludes that. This is in no particular order. All right, so this bag is your first aid and multi-tool. So like it says, it comes with a really nice multi-tool. So you got your pliers. It's got good grip on it as well, so no slippage. It's got all these, you know, the scissors, the knife, the file, you know, flathead screwdrivers, all the standard stuff you'd find. But what they also include here is you got additional little bits, you know, your screwdrivers and Allens and yeah. So, and the adapter here, this just goes onto the screwdriver, and then you can mount all these to it as well. So that to me is just really well thought out. You know, that's a must. So, got the multi-tool. Oh, I won't tear this apart here. So this is their hiker med kit. But I mean, this includes your sunscreen, lip balm, burn gel, alcohol wipes, you know, all the bandages, blister bandages. You got electrolyte tablets for your water. It comes with 550 paracord, ibuprofen, Benadryl. I mean, just a ton, even bite relief ointments. So this little tiny bag is just stuffed full. I mean, you can see the list I was just reading, summarizing on the back there. So tons of just essential med stuff. All right. Comes with actually a really well put together book, you know, first aid and survival book. And you can kind of see here, it's all colored pages and pictures, and, you know, still relatively easy to read, but it breaks it down in all the different categories. So, you know, that's a nice thing to have in your kit, because it's not knowing how to do everything, you know, but knowing how to get that information, you know, if you know what I mean there. Pressure bandage, emergency blanket, 2 rolls of heavy duty duct tape, not just the cheap stuff. They actually use like, I'd compare it to like Gorilla Tape. So really heavy duty duct tape. So 2 rolls of that, and 1 gigantic wet wipe so you can give yourself a shower if you happen to get very dirty. So that's really neat. Okay, I'm already running out of room. There's so much stuff. All right, what's next? Oh, okay. Woo. So this one, I already tore the top of it. This one is food and water, pretty basic. So they have high calorie bars, and this kit can help you for 72 hours with the food and water rations that are just included. Again, could buy you 72 hours. And so here is the water itself, little pouches there. Like I said, it has a water bottle that's included, so you can fill it with the water. And I love this. It comes with a Life Straw, which, I mean, Life Straw or Sawyer Straw, I mean, 2 of my favorite companies when it comes to, you know, a filtration system like that. And just loose in here. Has a couple of the like iodine or aqua tabs, you know, to clean your water. Okay. Oh man, I think that's it after this. So this bag is your fire, light source, and navigation. So they include, this is probably my favorite item in this kit. And again, guys, your HSA, FSA would buy this stuff for you. It's incredible. Massive, right? This is a solar rechargeable headlamp. And not only is it just recharging your headlamp, you can, if you got a USB cable, you could plug your cell phone into this. If you needed just that, 5 extra minutes of charge potentially, this will do it. Leave this out in the sun and I mean, yeah, it could literally be the meaning between life and death, to recharge your cell phone, make a phone call, or any other device you may have potentially. But also, again, this without just the headlamp alone can run for 7 hours. So you got a lot of charge, if you're just letting it sit out in the sun during the day. So you got your lights, and it actually comes with a USB cable. Sorry, it does come with that. Let's see, glow stick. And they do add some comical stuff on the back as well, such as you can use this as a magic wand. Yeah, no joke. So, like I said, there's some funny stuff on there. But nice glow stick. Everything comes in just a nice bag too. But here's your compass. So you got a compass, and you got a nice mirror. So that's included. Now onto the fire starting, my favorite. Comes with the waterproof matches. So just a nice little container, a little strike pad right there. And Instafire. This stuff's incredible. I've reviewed very similar products to this. It simply just works. I mean, you can put this on wet ground or whatever it may be. It burns anywhere. It burns hot. So this serves as a really good way to start a fire. And again, it comes with 2 pouches of that. Well, guys, I think, unless I'm missing something, I don't think I am. Nope, that was it. So you can see there is a lot of gear that this kit comes with. It's incredible. And again, your insurance will buy it for you. That to me is that's awesome. So I am giving one of these away for those who have stuck around to the end of this video. I am actually going to be giving a brand new 10 Essentials kit away. So I'll have full details on my Instagram coming very soon. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I truly appreciate the time you take to watch these reviews, and being a subscriber literally means the world to me. So thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.